This is Makoko, the floating slum in Africa, a large low-income community with half the population on water and half on land. It is situated in the heart of Africa's most populated city, spread out across the third mainland bridge located on the coast of mainland Lagos. A third of its cover consists of buildings, shacks, and shanties constructed on the silts in the shallow bay of Lagos, which has led to it often being called the Venice of Africa. Makoko is home to about 50,000 to 250,000 people whose main primary source of income is fishing. Today we came back as promised to visit the school children. Welcome to Makoko! Welcome back, guys. Mira's World here again. If you're stopping by for the first time, please kindly consider hitting on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. But if you're not, thank you so much for always sticking around. So guys, we are heading back to Makoko because we promised the school children that we are definitely coming back for them. Apologies that you're watching this video now, but it was shot in December 2023, so we visited right before the Christmas celebration and we decided to buy a few things for the children. We also decided to buy stationaries for the children for the new semester or the new term that was going to commence in January, and everything was fine, and we said to go back to Makoko. We got here and these children came to pick us themselves. Like, this was very, very, very emotional for me. It was very commendable. Just look at this young chap pedaling this boat. I mean, he's been here all his life and this is what he does best. But then it was the thought that really counted, that they decided to leave school work to come and take us right into their school.
There's a bridge here. That's an overhead bridge on the Makoko Canal.
For some reason, I never realized that the water mass in Makoko was actually much, because the first time we came, I had a whole lot on my head. It was the first time, so I was trying to relish my eyes and see what is going on in Makoko. But this second time that we came back, I realized that this school is actually very far from the jetty. That means the water mass is just so huge. And anyways, it's expected because it's estimated that 50,000 to 250,000 people actually stay here. So anyways, this was us trying to locate the school. We saw so many people going on with their daily activities, some people selling stuff, some people fishing, and a whole bunch of stuffs. Anyways, finally we arrived at the school and this is it. This is what we are here for today. Thank you. It's okay.
Children, how are you?
Fine, thank you, ma.
Okay, I'm fine. My name is Grace. What did I say my name is?
Grace.
Yes, Grace. Okay, so this is my friend. Introduce yourself.
My name is Blessing.
So, you remember that we came here the other day? How many of you remember? That day we came to your school. So that day we came, we said we are going to come back.
Yes.
Yes. So that is why we came back. Are you happy to see us again?
Yes.
Yes.
excited about Christmas. You are excited? You guys are not excited? You don't So we brought some Christmas goodies for you guys so that you guys will enjoy. And so the last time we came, I asked how many teachers we were, right? We decided to just encourage you guys a bit, right? It's not much at all, but at least it's something to celebrate the season, right? So because we are just getting to know this place, we try and come often and then bring things we can, and also actually see if people that are going to see these videos will also be interested in contributing to encourage you guys, because you are really doing a good job here. And the fact that you are offering free education to these children, trying to carry them every morning, is something that is commendable. So we really appreciate your effort, and we just want to encourage you. There is nothing really much here, but please just manage it for the festive season. So I think this is for you. I don't know how many other teachers you have. You told me there were 4 or 5, so I think this is what we have. So just manage it. Welcome.
Everything you bring to me today, I say big thank you. God will help you too.
Amen. So these are the teachers, and this is Mr. Gerard right there, the director.
The director of the school, and by him are the other staff of the school. Like, they work on volunteer basis teaching these children, and it's free, right? Every day Mr. Gerard goes around on the boat to get the children to school, and these are the volunteer teachers that teach the children. So it's a commendable thing they are doing, and we just wanted to appreciate them for their service with a little token that we have. If you want to support, I mean, they are doing a good thing. They offer services here on volunteer basis. So you want to support, you can reach out. The contact information are in the description box down below, the emails and everything, and we'll tell you how you can go about supporting them in any way you want to. Thank you. This is me.
After speaking to them, we brought out the stuffs that we bought for them and decided to call it a day. We realized that we forgot some things at the car. We went back and got everything, and the children were definitely very, very, very happy that we came visiting. Guys, this is just one out of so many schools in Makoko. I can't count how many is there, and we can't start going to every school. So if you ever want to help these children, you can consider visiting Makoko and seeing for yourself what happens here. These children are so beautiful and really, really intelligent. 1, 2, 3. Welcome to Makoko. Anyways guys, this brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.